So forex trading is one of the easiest ways to make money online if you know what you're doing, right? So for all those forex millionaires that you see out there, they're making consistent amount of money just trading forex trading from their mobile phones, desktops, or from their laptops, right, on the go. What I like about forex trading is that it's location neutral, meaning that you can trade from anywhere, wherever you are traveling the world, any time of the day, Monday to Friday, 24 hours. This is one of the best ways of making money online that you can get started with today. But I know for most of us, we actually don't know what is forex trading and how to get started into this market, right? It's over 4.5. I believe it's now over $5 trillion US traded on daily basis. So there's a lot of liquidity in this market, meaning that there's a lot of potential to make the most money online, right? In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating a way that I'm actually trading forex right now without having to analyze the markets, without having to know much about forex trading, only being able to use the MetaTrader app, which is the app that is that we use for trading forex, right? So if you're new and you don't know much about that, I'm going to be leaving a link down below where I will give you free lessons, 3 to 5 videos demonstrating how to use the apps, how to use MetaTrader app, and how to use the signals that will be sent on this group, which is the way that we're going to be using to trade forex, right, without having to analyze or anything. So check out the link down below and for you to get started. Otherwise, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be uploading other free videos as well on this channel to just demonstrate how those apps work and how to take trades, right? So if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button down below, leave a comment, like the video, and let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, I just want to demonstrate how you can, anybody out there can actually be able to make money out of forex trading through having signals, right? So there's no specific knowledge, no need to buy those expensive courses, $1,000 course to be able to start trading, right? So I know most of us don't have that much to invest towards forex trading education. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually start making money for free, actually, because there's a free 7-day trial that is being offered with this group chat that I'm in, which could have consistent wins in trading, right? I mean, as we all know, trading, you never really win 100% of your trades every time, every single day, right? So there's a chance that you might lose at least less than 5% with this group, with the signals that Code actually sent on this group. So today I'm going to be focusing on Code Most Def. This guy is a forex trader. As you can see, I'm just on his profile right here on Instagram. So this Code Most Def, a guy that I've been following for quite some time now, I think over a year or a year and a half, almost 2 years now following this guy. I started with this group chat and I've been seeing some good success trading forex, right? So he is, you can actually come here and check out his profile. You can go through his stories and so forth. But as you can see, he's making at least 25,000 every single month consistent with forex trading, and is the owner of Reward Over Risk Forex Trading. So this is company's personal company where you mentor thousands of students to trade forex as well as provide signals, which is what this video is about. So this video is about how you can start trading forex without having to analyze the markets yourself, how to trade forex just from signals, right? So all you have to do is to turn on your phone, log into your MetaTrader app, take the trades, and wait for your profit to be hit. Then that's it, right? So that's the simplest way to trade forex and make money online right now. So he mentors thousands of people that he has. As you can see, over 25,000 subscribers, meaning this guy knows what he's doing. I mean, not a lot of people can just follow somebody when they are not actually providing what they claim to do, right? So Code Most Def is the real deal right here. So the link down below, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can get just the first 3-5 videos explaining exactly how to get started with forex trading, and then I'm gonna leave a link to the 7-day free trial for his signals group. The link that I'm gonna leave also together with the free videos for you to get started with, to know what is forex trading and so forth, is gonna give you 7 days of free signals with Code Most Def's group. Basically, how those signals come through is basically something like this, right? So Code Most Def will basically analyze the markets for you, and then all you have to do is to wait for this for a message like this. As you can see, NZD USD sell, and then that's the entry point, that's the stop loss, and then that's the take profit, and then that's the take profit number 2. So what does this mean? Basically, this is where you'll be sending. So this is the old group chart. So I cannot show you the new one, right? So I was just showing you this previous group chat that you used to use before before we move to the new one, which is basically $50 a month. You get 7-day free trial with the link down below that I'm going to leave below, as I said. So basically all you have to do is to log into MetaTrader app and then take this trades as you're instructed, right? And then just wait for it to take to either hit the stop loss if it's a loss, and then either to take profit. But over 90% of these trades of these signals actually work most of the time. So it's either you break even or you take profit, right? And then losses are like really unseen, like the really minimum with this signal. So this is basically what you expect to receive from Code. Almost as you can see, let me just show you quickly here. As you can see, they send about 5 to 10 weekly trades alerts, one weekly intro webinar just for beginners or new people who just joined this group, right? And then weekly live trading webinar. And this is a monthly retainer, but then you don't have to stick in it if you know, like let's say within this 7 days, the first 7 days, which is free trial with the link down below. You don't have, if you see that that group is actually not for you, or forex trading is not something that you want to pursue, then you can just request a cancellation, which is for free. You don't have to pay any fee. You just tell them that you don't want to continue the group, right? And then that's it, and then you're out. You don't have to pay that $50 anymore for the following months, right? It's as simple as that to get out of this group. Anyways, as you can see, this is Cosmos Dev, as I said. So as you can see, this is content. The guy is really killing it. He's been killing it in this forex market for quite some time now. As you can see, he's got some free educational videos on his Instagram as well as his YouTube channel. So you can also check that out. But as you can see, he's been in this game for quite some time now. He knows what he's doing. He knows he knows how to trade forex. So as soon as you hit that link down below, you can get started and start receiving signals. So I'm just going to take you to the sales page of this course, that is the course that you'll be going through, right? So as you can see, it's a $49, almost just $50 a month every single day, and you get 7-day free trial with the link that I said I'm going to leave down below, right? So this is what you get: 5 to 10 trade alerts weekly, one weekly introduction webinar just to explain what forex is and how to get started, right? Like how to start implementing the signal so that you make profits every time that you send a signal, right? Live weekly trading, and then weekly market updates. You will not be billed until the 7-day trial, 7 days after joining, right? So and then there's quality customer support and all. So as you can see, there's a lot of people in this group chat right now, over just above 200 right now members in the group, and they're killing it every single month, making profits whenever Cosmos Dev make profits. As you can see, the guy makes over 25,000 every single month, meaning that you also can make that much depending on how much you can start with, right? How much you can start trading with, how much you can fund your account with. So I'm going to be making a series of videos on trading forex, showing you, demonstrating how to use the MetaTrader app, how to fund your account, and how to do withdrawals and so forth, right? So I'm going to be showing you in the next couple of uploads on this channel. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you never miss a video when I release one. So as you can see, this is a course. So once you go through the videos that I'm going to be sending you to get started, introduce you to forex if you're new. So it doesn't matter whether you've done forex before or you're completely new, you're a complete beginner in forex marketing. If you're interested in making money trading forex without analyzing the charts and just receiving signals, then this is definitely for you. All you have to do is just click the link down below, go through that. The first video is the introduction. I really recommend that you go through those videos. If you're a complete beginner, don't know how to trade forex, I recommend that you go through those videos. They're totally for free. There's no payment whatsoever. And then on top of that, I'll give you a link to this 7-day free trial. And then once you get started with that, for 7 days, you're just receiving free signals and make money. And if you start with enough money, if you find your account with good money within those days, I'm talking about at least $100 US, then you can definitely make that $50 within those 7 days, even maybe within the first 2 days of that 7 days, to be able to afford this. Because with forex trading, we're talking at least $100 every single day, depending on how much you actually invest, right? How much you get started with your account. But you can easily make $100 every single day without any hassle, just trading the signals when you're given, right? Whenever you send the signals, you just take advantage of them and then wait for your profits to come in. So basically, this is how you can trade forex without having to invest huge amounts of money into the knowledge, without having to spend a lot of time trying to figure out what is forex trading, how to do it. Because remember, every single day that you're not taking advantage of this market is a day that you're leaving money out there, totally just out there for free. It's capitalizing on this market. Over 5 trillion US dollars traded every single day. Enough money for everybody to make money, right? As I said, I'm going to be releasing new videos just showing you how to trade, basic trading forex principles, and how to get started with it. And then I'm going to be sharing with you in the next uploads, right? So stay tuned to that. I also got a Telegram channel down below. So in this Telegram channel, you basically just different ways of making money. Or if you're interested, or if you got any questions or need help, I can help you one-on-one. You can just hit me up on Telegram through the group. My contact is there. You can see, if you just go to the members, you can see on the members list. So you can check out that out as well, and then hit me up if you got any questions or need help with anything. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you taking time to watch this video. If you got any questions, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and leave your questions down below, or check me out on Telegram. So yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.